Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This phone is M02s. This is a phone that was broken in the car accident. Today let's see how to repair it. Let's take the phone and see what needs to be repaired. First step, remove the SIM tray. Next step, open the back panel using opener tool. Next, remove the screw using screwdriver. After we checked, we realized that we would have to repair display, back camera glass, back panel and out keys. The first thing we need to do now is remove the display from the phone. The display is broken, so we can use a blade to remove it. If the display is not broken, it is working, so we need to heat it up and carefully remove it. I cannot be removed with a blade like this. View now remove the display. Now let's put the new display in and check if it works and if it can be touched. Now press the power switch. Now we on the phone. Okay, display is working. No errors, no color patch. Let's see now, touch the phone. Okay, touch is okay. Now we are cleaning the middle in the phone. We can use this brush. After cleaning, remove the display and stick it on well. We removed the back camera glass and screw panel. Now we have fixed the new camera glass with screw panel. Now let's see how to fix the new back panel. I don't like black that much, so we changed the color little to blue. We have fixed it. You see, this is like a new phone now. Let's let the glue dry for 2 or 3 hours and see. Okay, now you see that the phone we made looks like a brand new phone. Thank you for watching the video.